Jive basic step. So how to dance? So first we have a rock step, ball, heel, then we have a triple step to the side, triple step, triple step. So if we're dancing jive, we want to use the timing and the rhythm of jive. And rhythm of jive, it will be like this: 1, 2, 3. So the feeling on 3 will be like we're going up 3, and then here a feeling of the drop. 4, 5, 6. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in jive we have that terminology, we call it downbeat. So we're going up, and then there is a feel that we drop towards the floor. 1, 2. 1, 2, downbeat. So every second beat is a downbeat. So even here when you do rock step, 1, you want to have 2, a little bit release towards the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you want to take it to the next level, you want to introduce a little bit kicking action. So here we'll introduce slip, tap, ball change. So this is a slipping action. So what is slipping action? So when we bend our knees and as we straight, there is the foot slip. And as the foot slips, you can almost like